Hi, Scott McKinley with Universal Accounting. Alongside me, as always, is Roger Connect.
Hi.
Today I would like to share some thoughts with you that I think can be a big stumbling block for a lot of people. In the 30-second commercial that we really encourage you to develop, one of the key phrases that we introduce is that of being a profit and growth expert.
Expert, that's right.
A lot of people say, Scott, I can't do it. My other coaches have said that they hear a lot of this along the same lines, is that how can I tell somebody I'm an expert? What is an expert?
Well, let me add something here. I think a lot of this not just comes from the definition before we get to it, it's also the attitude. Sometimes it's confidence. How can I portray or even say that I'm an expert when maybe I've got some self-doubts or reservations? What we need to do is, first of all, just encourage you to play the part. Act. It's not a facade. I mean, just step up and play that role. That's what they're looking to you for, that's what they want to see, and that's what they're going to pay you to do. So, first of all, say you're an expert, portray yourself as an expert, understand you're not alone, but let's define now an expert.
An expert is a person with a high degree of skill in or knowledge of a certain subject.
Yep.
A credible authority who defines what to pay attention to, what things mean, how things work, and how things might turn out. Now, think back to the years of experience that you might have in this field, working for somebody else, whether it was a larger corporation or a bigger business. Do you have the experience in telling people what things mean when it comes to accounting? Identifying something such as how things work or how things might turn out. That's the whole benefit of accounting, is accounting will tell you what has happened and what that means, what is happening now and what that means, and how it might turn out if our projections are correct, if we're doing forecasting and trend analysis. So essentially, that's you. You are an expert in the field of accounting because you have a high degree of skill. If you've taken Universal's courses, you've gotten certified as a professional bookkeeper or a professional tax preparer, then that's you. You've got a high degree of skill in the subject of accounting and taxes. So you should, with confidence, be able to communicate with somebody that, yes, I'm a profit and growth expert, and if I do my job correctly, these are the things that we'll be accomplishing because you've done it in the past.
I love it. Think of it this way. A third-party entity, Universal Accounting Center, has certified your skills and abilities as a professional bookkeeper, a professional tax preparer. You've gone through and shown that you have the skills and abilities. You are that credible authority that Scott spoke of a moment ago. You also are able now, because of the reports you're generating for the client and the work that you're doing, you're able to define what they need to be paying attention to. And what those things mean, what these reports they're receiving from you actually are telling them, what the trends are, how things are truly working. What it really means is you are, as Scott mentioned, the true definition as an accountant, an expert. Get paid what you're worth. Do what you need to do.
You're an informed person that gets paid for your insight you're shedding on the clients that you're working with. So that qualifies you in my book.
Yep. Today you're an expert. Remember that and live true to it.
And don't forget, if it's about accounting, it's universal.
And accounting success is universal. Have a great day.
Bye.